Yes, guys, I'm going to show you 5 fantastic, profitable coloring page niches that you should be getting into right now to make that amazing, amazing passive income. But guys, as usual, if you love Etsy products, you love creating, researching, listing, and all of that mad stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget to share, because you know what? Knowledge is power, and we like sharing that knowledge. You know what I mean? Anyways, let's get into this madness. So check this out. Look, I want to show you 5 amazing ones, right? So first one on my list are these. And they're like these kind of, I mean, you know, look, they're kind of educational, baby shower, they call it. First sort of learning, if you like, learning your ABC with nice imagery, nice pictures. And they are actually really, really cool, right? So I'll give you an example. D is for dinosaur. And, you know, you can create these quite quickly. Look, G is for giraffe, nice little image, and the lettering. So they understand. Basically, those educational coloring pages. And especially when we're talking about, you know, the sort of the preschool, the younger age group for children, and that particular niche or that particular age group seems to do really, really well. And the money is pretty good also with this. So if we just take this, for example, this one's in demand, it's a bestseller, boom. I mean, look, this is only 5-month-old listing and it's making approximately 3,293. Okay. Now, this one is actually created by the seller and it is actually sent direct. However, there is a fantastic market just to have it as a digital file that all they need to do is download it. So there is that opportunity within this, because obviously the customers are looking for this kind of idea. And I think it's a really good one. Now, just to go on to this, I've verified another listing which I found that has a similar thing. And again, it's a similar idea where it's letters and they have these, obviously these animals or representation of the letter. Like you see, G is for giraffe, H is for hearts, and so on. So this educational twist, but with these kind of, if you like, imagery with it. So I verified this, and this is also making some good money. So it definitely looks like it's a trend that's happening within the coloring page niche that I definitely recommend to get into. All right, that's the first on my list, mate. No particular order. Anyways, let's go to the next one. Now, the next one I would say is a kind of obvious one, but it's a definite one that you should be doing if you are, you know, producing coloring pages. And that's literally coloring pages for Christmas, for Halloween, for those particular times of the year, those celebrationary times of the year. Also think about Easter, think about Nativity, think about the Christian faith or other religious faiths, right? Because people look for this. As it approaches Halloween, you can see a bundle like this would do fantastically well. I mean, this is a bundle of 80 pages, and it's got these kind of different types here, that Halloween flavor. And again, you know, Halloween, Christmas, they're always, you know, fantastic winners for that time of year. I mean, this one's making $420 at the moment, but obviously this number will jump as it approaches Halloween time. And again, you know, you'd probably do the same for something like this, which is a Christmas related, a 20 pack pages of these Christmas related printables. Again, digital download, nice and easy. And again, this would really ramp up sales as Christmas approaches. So it's definitely something to consider. At the moment, it's making $650 per month. So look, these things are hugely popular, especially when at that time of year. But definitely get them ready before Christmas or before Halloween or before Easter, whenever you're trying to design these and get them done. So that's the second one on my list. The next one on my list is going to be this. Now, I've done a video on this, like a dedicated video, a whole video. So do check it out, please, because this is absolutely fantastic. This is something that if you are in the coloring page niche, you should be really pushing to get into it. And it's called this giant coloring banner, right? Now, you can see the children here on the image coloring in this giant banner. So this gives you an idea of how big it is, right? It shows you how big it is. And it is what it is. It's a 10-foot long giant coloring banner. Now, the thing about this, it's not something that you can just kind of do for people to kind of download or sell it as a digital. You do need to have, you do need to produce this via printers yourself and get it sent to the customer. So you do have to make it yourself and send it to the customer. However, it is such an amazing sub niche. Now, just looking at this one, I'll just give you an idea how fantastic this is, right? Now, this one is probably the top seller in the niche in terms of coloring pages. It's making $6,110, right? Now, what's really amazing about this, and this is why I want to show you it, is now when I look at the top selling coloring page items using EVERBEE, and remember, you can check out link in my description to try out EVERBEE, where I can show you how to analyze all these amazing products. Now, if I go to product analytics and I'm looking at particularly coloring pages only, the top sellers, you can see the top seller here, this giant one is the top seller, right? The third one down is another giant coloring page, but it's a winter one, winter niche. That's number 3, right? There's another one on the list here. There's another giant one right there. This is to do with fall, right? And if I keep going down, you'll see there are more. There's a Halloween one. There's a birthday one. So in the top, say 20 listings that are selling really well, you've got these giant coloring banners. Look, another one, giant coloring banners that are really selling fantastically well. So there is a massive demand for giant coloring pages, basically. Like I said, do check out my video on this because I go through in detail and how you should sell this. So definitely something to look into. Definitely requires a little bit more work. It's not your simple digital download, easy to produce on something like MIDJOURNEY or LEONARDO AI. It requires a bit of work, and it requires, you know, going to a printer's, getting it printed, and then actually selling it to a customer yourself, right? Anyways, back to my next one. So that was the third one, the kind of giant idea. So the fourth idea is literally having a personalized coloring page. Now, personalization, if you didn't know, is absolutely massive on Etsy, and it really will do fantastically well because the Etsy algorithm is pushing this. It's this kind of gifts, birthday gifts, and so on. And look, you can even see at the top of the Etsy search bar, look, you got gift mode, you got birthday gifts. So personalization, especially for things like gifts, birthday gifts, and you can see even on the title, it's telling you kids birthday gift, right? That's the title. And actually, look, it's got birthday gift up here. So, you know, personalized coloring pages where a customer can personalize it. Now, whether you personalize it yourself or they personalize it, you know, as long as it's something that they can add to it. So I'll give you an example of what the personalization would be, right? This is a prime example. So they would get a page, let's say a design, and then they can ask you to put the name of their child maybe on there, okay? So you got these two examples where you got the name of the child, let's say, and then you got the image that is produced by the seller. Now, it's a simple case of adding a name. That's the only personalization that needs to be done. Obviously, the designs are already done, but it's just adding the name style. And there's a few good personalized listings out there that are doing fantastically well. I mean, just give you an example of this personalized one. Right. And like I said, the personalization can be very simple, just like adding a name. Look, this is making $4,451 per month. And the personalization is very simple. It's just a case of adding the name. And like I said, you could do this yourself where they could ask you to add the name. Or I've also seen listings where the buyer can add the name themselves by using something like CANVA. And all they need to do is they get the design. So, for example, they would get a design a bit like this one, like these, let's say this lion, and then they could actually add the name themselves using CANVA. So you don't actually have to even do that, okay? So there's two ways of doing this. And like I said, it's a simple personalization of just simply adding the name. That is it. But it is hugely profitable and it can make a lot of money. So definitely focus, please, on personalization if you're in this game. Now, the fifth and final idea that I want to give you with regards to coloring pages, if you are already selling coloring pages and you're selling particular niches, maybe you got animal coloring pages, maybe you got educational ones, what you should be doing, you should be offering a whole shop bundle of all the coloring pages that you sell. So as you build up all the coloring pages niches, so for example, you got Halloween coloring pages, Christmas coloring pages, you might have personalization ones, you might have kids coloring pages, you might have mandala adult coloring pages. What you do is you then do a listing which gives a whole shop bundle access where customer can access all of your coloring pages at any time. And you know, this is a prime example where the seller is given access to all of their coloring pages, and they also have a dark and a light version. Remember, definitely do a dark and a light version because customers do like that flexibility. So even when you sell your coloring pages, do try to offer a dark and a light version. They do actually look for that. and it can put people off if you don't have it. So this seller actually has lots of categories that they sell: flowers, science-based ones, they got landscape ones, and they offer a huge bundle of 10,000 plus coloring pages. Now, it doesn't have to be 10,000. You could even start with something like 500 coloring pages and offer that as a sort of bundle, whole shop bundle, right? And then obviously put the price up the more you do. Now, this one is fantastic. And like I said, I keep saying it, in most niches, giving away or doing a listing as a whole shop bundle, is amazingly profitable, right? This is a bestseller. Now, this bundle is making 1,955. So imagine you are already making bundles, for example, on garden fruits or waterfall images, or you're making fantasy, these ones. And these are small bundles, and then you give away, or then you sell the whole shop bundle as a separate listing. That's the way to do it, guys. And that really should be done in so many different types of niches out there. So those are my coloring page, profitable coloring page ideas that I believe you should be doing right now. If you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and give me an idea in the comments what other videos you want me to do, and I shall definitely have a look at that, man. Anyways, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.